Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Reggie Winston. If you have been rocking with me since the beginning of this series, I want to say thank you and congratulations. In this video, man, we're going to talk about how to finish this fade with this razor and how to really make sure this hairline is A1. So as you see, I'm using a razor. I like to use the anti-razor, man. That's kind of just slide out and you put the razor blade in. It's so simple to use, and it's a really lightweight razor. It doesn't give me issue, man. I really like them. You can still see the blade a little bit on this razor, so I really like to see the blade. But in the previous videos, I show you how to start a fade, how to finish a fade, how to do the edge up, how to apply enhancements. And in this video, also show you how to sculpt the beard and edge up the beard as well. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to finish the entire haircut with the razor. The razor, man, you see me right here. I'm using on these rounded areas like the beard. I'm stretching the skin a little bit, making it taut and really easy for me to use. I got to be careful. He has some little sensitive areas on his face that I don't want to irritate or cause any more irritation. I'm stretching this skin, man, with my thumb, my left thumb, and I'm really tapping this line with the razor. You do not see me continue to hit the same line over and over and over again. It doesn't need it. I like to go through this pretty quickly and just really tap the line. His mustache is thick, and I'm trying to keep it thick. I want to clean this up. Be careful not to hit the nose. I'm guilty for that. Yeah, I've done that before, and it made me so scared. Like, I had to hurry up and clean that up. Shout out to my client. He's still rocking with me. But, yeah, let's go ahead and lay them back. I did both the chair leg, and I did the top line on the beard. Let's go ahead and lay this head back. I'm going to do this top line. And I'm going to just tap this razor against the line, man, really trying to make it clean and even as possible. As you notice, I have not done under the beard yet. I will be getting to that later in the video. And once again, this is a part of a series. Please check out the rest of the videos in this series. I will add it to a playlist so you can check out this whole thing. So you can see this haircut from start to finish. So if you have any questions or whatever, you can see and you can ask that in those specific videos. They did a series of small videos so you can really consume this information and go back and check out everything. But yeah, tapping the line with this razor, man. I tap the top of the line. I tap the chair legs or the vertical lines. I like to call them chair legs. Tap the top of the beard. Shout out to my dog Midnight over there. Y'all seen him. But yeah, tap the top beard line on the other side, and I'm gonna tap this beard line. I apologize about being out of focus here, but just work with me. I'm doing my best, man. I'm learning, and thank you for grace. God granted, so you got to give it to. But regardless, when you're stretching the skin, it's gonna make some curvature in the line when you're tapping it with the razor. So if you want to make a really, really nice curve, really stretch your skin as much as possible. If you want just to make it straight, but still got to tighten up the skin a little bit with your thumb or stretch, make it just taut enough to let the razor slide. So I went ahead and grabbed my trimmers, and I'm going to tap the bottom of this beard while I have his head laid back. Yes, I could have did this early in the video, but I wanted to do it while I had his head laid back. There's no need to make a client lay their hair back, lift it up, lay their hair back, and keep doing that back and forth. While I had his head laid back from the razor, I was able to just get under there with a trimmer and tap the underneath side of his beard. And I'm just cleaning it up lightly. I like to tap the line first and then come back and clean it up by flipping the clipper or the trimmer this way, just like I flipped it, and cleaning up everything. I don't like to go with the clipper flipped over and going down on his neck. Pause. But anyway, yeah, that caused too much irritation. I'm going to follow this up a lot of the times with the electric shaver. But I'm just coming to go through it and try to clean it up right now with this trimmer. But as you see, man, the fade looks good. The enhancements look good. The razor got a thing sharper. And this is not it, though. There is a nice little finishing that I like to do even after the razor. The razor is definitely like a finishing move, but I'm going to show you what I like to do after the razor. But as you see, man, this thing is looking good. After the razor, I like to come back with a trimmer, get all the excess ash line, and really make sure my line is even. Sometimes hitting it with the razor and stretching the skin can make that line warp a little bit. So I come back with the trimmer, head still laid back, and I'm cleaning up off the ash line. I hate seeing customers with a really pronounced ash line or chalk line on their forehead. Like I said, I want the haircut to look natural and clean and sharp. I don't need it to have too much going on the face and the hairline, you know? Haircut is looking amazing, man. If you haven't already, please check out my channel and subscribe. And hey, if you got any questions, please leave those in the comments. I just took the blow dryer to blow any excess hair and chalk or ash line off his face. He's feeling himself already, but I'm looking at it. I'm going to look at it in the mirror. I do see some warpness and some lift. I see that area right in the front that I can tap and then kind of flatten out. I pointed it out to him. He recognized it. He's confident in his barber, that this barber see the things that he see. And I'm going to tap that middle line to flatten this thing out so his haircut looks great. I'm not putting a lot of pressure. I'm not trying to redo it. I just want to clean it up a little bit. The more times you tap this hairline with trimmers and razors and things of that nature, you're going to irritate the skin. So I'm using a really light touch and just really trying to flatten out this line and make it look nice, sharp, clean, symmetrical, even, and amazing. I think I'm achieving that. Once again, thank you for watching this video, man. Please check out other videos in this channel. We got how-tos, we got product reviews, tool reviews, and we just talk about overall general barber things that help barbers get better, man. I see a little dip over here that I want to touch. And you got to be careful on that part. People with hairlines, sometimes they have those little dips in their forehead where it looks weird in the mirror. So you have to go and make adjustments and really tap that area to flatten it out. Check out how much better that looks now. And that just goes, like I said, walking by, looking at it in the mirror, trying to see what the barber sees. Trying to see what the customer see. By the time I show him the mirror, he gonna seen everything, y'all, and he gonna really enjoy his haircut. Right now, he's thinking about what he's gonna do this weekend with his haircut. So yeah, it's looking good. I'm just kind of looking over my work, cross-checking it. I looked at the hairline straight on. I still seen a little lift in that corner that needed to take place, so I just went ahead and didn't go all the way to the corner. I came over like a ½ inch from the corner just to flatten out the line and fix that indentation in his forehead. I wish I could have done more with the beard on the bottom of the beardless side, but right there he had a little issue and the hair's not growing in too much. I don't want to just overspread with enhancements. Tapping that line over there. Apologize if you see me on the phone. I try not to be on the phone, but I'm always having to answer questions while I'm at work and try to make sure the customer is taken care of. But yeah, the thing looking good, man. He see it. He's about to go enjoy the rest of his week. Y'all, if y'all have any questions or comments about this haircut, please drop them below. Really check out what it started from. I want you to see the before, so go back to the first video after this video is done so you can see where we started and you can see what the finished results are like. I'm going to include 2 pictures at the end of this haircut, at the end of this video, so you can see like some still shots of this haircut. But it's looking good, man. You get to see the video, and you know, video don't lie. No filters on this. But I did put a little enhancements on it, and I did put a fade on this thing. That back area in the crown, you can see some light spots, but it's pretty much masked up, and nobody would know that he's light in the crown as he is. Shown in the mirror, my man feeling it. Oh yeah, that's what he come for. That's what he come see me for. The attention to detail and the desire to, you know, serve him and give him the best haircut I can give him. So y'all, thank you for watching this video. My name is Reggie Winston. Together we make barbers better. Please like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram, Reggie_Winston. See you in the next video. Peace.